Hello friends, this is Katie. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm excited to share with you the recipe of the best blueberry cheesecake I've ever tried. It's super easy to make, requires just a few simple ingredients, and best of all, no baking at all. It's so creamy and delicious that you might want to keep it all to yourself, but trust me, your family and friends will love it too. Let me know in comments if you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new sweet treat.